Hi, my name's Phil and welcome to Festool TV UK. Today I'd like to talk to you about planers and specifically the EHL65EQ from Festool. This machine is capable of leaving a really high quality finish on all different types of materials, from softwoods to hardwoods and also for man-made materials such as MDF. But along with a good quality finish go a couple of other things, having really good extraction and also an ergonomic factor which makes it easy using this machine for shooting indoors while doing second fix work, for example. So I'll now take you around the features and the benefits of using the EHL65EQ. If we start from underneath, you'll notice that here we have a spiral blade. This leaves a really fine finish. And it leaves a fine finish because we take a slice rather than a chunk, which conventional machines do, and this leaves a finer finish. And because we're taking a slice, it also aids the dust extraction from the waste that's produced. Having a 65mm width keeps the machine small and lightweight, which is why for second fix work, when you're shooting indoors, this is the ideal machine because it leaves a good surface finish and also good dust extraction while you're working. The green delta foot at the back stops the blade from hitting the material that you may rest this on. However, as soon as you move this machine along a piece of material, it automatically flips up out of the way. So I can carry on working, put the machine down, and then I'm working easily and quickly with my machines. At the front, we have the depth control, or the depth of cut. It goes all the way through to 4mm. And at 4mm, that's a huge amount of material to take off. But because we use a single knife in this machine, means that we leave a good finish, even when we're taking off a lot of material. Dust extraction can be adapted either from the right, or if we push this in, to the left-hand side. So no matter where I'm working, my dust extraction is always going to be out of the way from the progress that I'm going to be making while I'm working along. As you can see, the rubber grips at the top gives me a firm grip on the machine, and also I can use it in some respects as a traditional plane because I can put my index finger along the machine to guide it along. And each machine is supplied with the Allen key to change the knife width. So we have 1, 2 and 3 bolts on this. I just have to undo the 3 bolts and slide out a single knife, put my new blade back in, and it means that my time for changing my knife is reduced dramatically. I don't have to do any further setting. The knife will automatically be set to the radius of the block. By doing that, it means that we don't end up with any chattering on the material while we're working either. And again, our cut quality is also improved. So the next stage for this is on this piece of softwood is to make a couple of cuts, and I can then show you the type of finish that's left behind. So this can work off a 27mm hose, which means it's adaptable and it's flexible as well while I'm working. And the plug-it lead can go into the back and we can secure that in position. So our first stage, I'll do one cut of something reasonable at 2mm. And the cut quality is fine. All I would then need to do would be to give that a small run over with some abrasive, and then I would be ready to paint. But the question is, what about hardwoods? Because hardwoods are much more dense, and obviously we also need to leave a good quality finish on that material as well. So here I have some beech. That's 45mm in width. So it's no different to an exterior door while you're planing that in. So we'll do the same type of cut. We won't adjust the depth of cut, and we'll still be taking off 2mm. And so you can see that the cut quality on this material is the same as I would achieve by using softwood as well. So I hope that's helped your understanding of the use of the EHL65 from Festool, and I'll see you on the next presentation.